welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a good week. So today we're gonna look at what we got here is an underwater vacuum cleaner made by Aqua Pool Accessories. So I picked this up at Lowe's for $24. I got a kind of like a bug debris problem in the bottom of my pool, so I needed a vacuum. So all you pool guys, we'll go ahead and unbox this and test it out here in the pool in a second. But yeah, it's an underwater vacuum cleaner for pool and spa. So no filter system required. Great for above ground pools, wading pools, spas, ponds, and waterfalls. It has a 5-section pole included. And kind of reading down. So the water pressure from the hose passes into the vacuum, powering its massive suction power and pulling leaves debris into its conventional storage bag. This is an economic and helpful way to collect and dispose of unwanted debris in your pool or spa. So, like I said, we'll go ahead, unbox this, and then we'll take it out, test her out. So, see you guys here in a second. So cool, yeah, it seems like it's working really good. It's picking up all the trash, all the debris, as you can see, it's collecting in the bag. So I'm really impressed. My problem is algae. As you can see, is algae at the bottom. So, of course, you know, the catcher's got holes in it, so the algae's just floating to the top of the surface. So if you guys have any suggestions on how to take care of that algae at the bottom of the pool, I'd really appreciate that. Just shoot me some comments in the comment section. But guys, overall I'm happy with this, and hey, if you would please like, subscribe, and thanks for watching the video. But here in a minute we'll take the bag off and show you all the debris that this collects. Look at all that. So yeah, pretty good device. Overall, I'm happy. So, alright, see you next time, guys.